What's up, YouTube? Hey, it's your boy Big Al here, coming to you with another episode of So What I Think. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Don't forget to ring that bell. That way you get notified every time I post up a new video of a new gadget or a new piece of tech that you definitely want to see. Well, today what I have is the Cubit by Plot. What this is supposed to be the new galactic, spectacular, out of this world tape measure without any tape in it. Yes, I know we have some digital ones out there already, but this one is kind of unique and we'll go into that later. But first, today what I want to do is we're going to just have a little unboxing. I'm going to go through this. We're going to open it up together. We're going to look at it. And then later we're going to come back at it and try to use it. And we'll see what I think. Okay, here we go. Let's open up this bad boy and see if it has everything that we need to create magic. All right, once again, the Plot, or it's Cubit by Plot. Works both with any tablet, any phone that you would have. See, no calculations. Easy design and a turn by turn guidance. You can get it both in the Google Play and the App Store. It'll do the measurements, help you set up the design, and then it'll help you bring it to life. So let's plot. All right. Got the book. Oh, here is this monstrosity. That is the actual Cubit, and you get pretty nice USB cable. Okay. Rollers. That's a laser. That's the other laser. And here is the actual rolling measurer. Not sure what you want to call it. Huh. It's solid. Very well, doesn't feel cheap at all. All right, so this is exactly what comes inside of the box. I guess somebody wants to reach me. As you see, you have your manual, the actual Cubit itself, and you have your USB cable. So there you have it, folks. That was the unboxing of the new Cubit by Plot. It is the futuristic tape measure without the tape. Laser beam, 2 of them, and a very small roller ball in the back there, roller, to take those precise measurements of those odd things around the house. So we'll see. So join us next time where I get to take this out for a spin. You come along and see, is it actually worth your money? Thank you once again for joining me on this episode of So What I Think. Stay tuned. There's more. Bye.